Hello and welcome to this new video. So in this video I'm going to be showing you my favorite tools in the Canva Pro functions. So the features is meant to remove the background of any picture you put in. So the AI is like bravo. I'm going to show you ASAP. So now the picture I'm going to use to test this is this my picture. So in order to do that, I will actually need to get the exact dimension of the picture. So that's why I'm going to open the picture here. As you can see, this is my real face. Okay, so the picture size is 2024 and okay, so we are going to create a new dimension here with the same exact size. So by I think is 40, okay, 4032, okay, 4032, okay. So now this is the size. Now let's start. That's the first thing you have to do. You make sure the size is equal to the existing file. Then now let's upload the picture. Based on our initial video, we already explained how we can upload. So now let's put that into practice by actually uploading from my device. So if you connect your Facebook, Google Drive, Instagram or Flick, you can actually use that. We finished the uploading of the file. Don't forget to rename always. Rename always. Don't forget to rename. So now we can select the file here and we can just drop it here. Then we can actually resize from here to fit in, to remain small, and drag. Boom, perfectly okay. Okay, I think it's there's still some little things here left to fit in. Okay, I think it's okay now. Okay, now it fits in. Now when you select the picture, now we have the filter, the effect, the adjust, the crop and the flip function. So with the crop, you can click that. With that crop, you can actually crop out some parts, and boom, when you just leave it that way, that's how it's going to look like. You can actually change the color here or add a different background with it, just manipulating the design. I'm just showing you these functions out of like just showing you sake. So now the purpose of this is to show you the pro work. So now let's go to the filter. The filter too is also free things. It's free. Most of them are free. I think it's everything. They are free functions. But the effect is the pro area. Like this, the background remover function is amazing. So when you click on it like this, the AI is going to automatically do the work for you. It's going to help you to remove and know if let it finish so yeah, you can just see it. The AI is like, it's amazing. You are going to enjoy it. In order to make your work fast, maybe it's something you actually do in maybe Photoshop or something. When you just come here, you get the size of the picture, you drag the picture there, then you just remove it with no background, boom. Or maybe you need another background to the picture. Amazing. All the flowers are going to go there now. Like you won't find anything again. It's just the white background that we use initially of the in the post. So it do take a while based on network internet connection. So I'll pause the video and get back to you. Okay, the AI just finished the work and this is how it looks like. Perfectly okay. So the AI is even smart enough to remove other human being on it. If you check the picture here, there are some people working, but it focuses on only me as the main picture here. If you notice, no other human being there, it's just me. So now I am here in the background section. We are here before, so I switch to the background section. Let me just play with the background. As you can see, it's perfectly the same, just me. See the hand, see the white clothes, even white clothes and white background. The AI understand it very well. White clothes, white background initially, and it's perfectly work well with it. As you can see, it's makes sense. And let's imagine you want to you don't like the background area. You can actually export it out with no background. So if we export it out with no background, so then we download it, so it's going to come out just the picture only, no background, no the pitch, I don't know the color name. The background is going to be gone. Perfectly okay. So let's see that. We are going to view that in a while. Perfect. As you can see, no other background, just the white stuff. Actually, because the white is the main thing that I have in my own canvas here, that's why you are seeing the white. So if I'm actually using black, everything is going to be black. The AI actually remove everything out of it. It makes it look perfectly. So you can do the same thing on your pictures, and Canva is going to help you to remove it. So let me press Ctrl Z to go back to how the picture is, or let me just delete this. Okay, now this is it. Now let's talk about the filter. So the filter, if we use this, you see how it works on it. Okay, you can actually manipulate it well. You can increase some saturation, the intensity, and you can play with it how you want. And I think there is additional. Okay, yeah, this is it. The adjust. You can actually lower some part and high some part. Just play around it to fit into exactly what you really need. Maybe by then you okay, you can actually write some text on it if this is okay by you. But for me to write a text on anything, I do add some element on it, element like a shape. I'm just using this as an example though, so that you can just see it, that okay, something is actually working. You understand? I'm just playing around this. So okay, transparency, then you make your text. Okay, you understand what I'm trying to do here? So something simple like this, boom, perfect. Understand? So you can actually do more than this, but the reason behind the video is just to show you the pro function, which is the background remover. So there are many different functions here you can play with, like screen. I don't know how it works, but I believe it's something. Maybe you are still going to do some other connection, but the only thing I do play with is this. Other stuff I did not play with them. So now we are going to start working on multiple projects, like your YouTube channel art, your Facebook banner. So let's get right into it.